everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I just went on coupons.com app, or Swagbucks is what I go through, and it looks like a lot of coupons that I printed yesterday reset, so I'm going to print those off, and then they added some new ones, so definitely print those off, especially with school starting. You guys want to print those off. So I'm going to print off the Kellogg's and the Nexus, because I think those are great coupons, especially with Kroger and Pick and Save going on with the Kellogg's, and then Nexus. I just love that shampoo and conditioner. If it loads, I forgot to load it prior to the video, but they did like reset the Scrubbing Bubbles, the CoverGirl, that looks like it all reset. The Huggies $1 off coupon reset, so it looks like a bunch of them did reset, but you gotta go down to the middle. So they added this Minute Maid Juice +1 6-pack, 55-cent off coupon for that. We have a 55-cent off coupon for, it looks like the veggie straws that my son really likes, so that's a great coupon. I'm just going to print off one of those. We got $1 off the Starburst 2, the Duos, which I actually really like those, so that's a good coupon. They also added $1 off Perel, and I love getting this because now with school starting, it's great to find deals with that, so I'm printing that off, and then I'm also printing off the $1.50 off of 2 Perel, and then they also had the $1.50 off Biotene, which usually when there's Biotene, there's going to be something in Ibotta coming up. So just wanted to share with you guys those coupons to print in case you guys didn't get to print them, or you already did and you didn't know that they reset. But let's see what coupons are not available that did not reset from me over yesterday. We're almost to the bottom. So the only one that did not reset is the Colgate. Now if you guys still haven't printed that off, definitely print it off. There's some good deals. So just wanted to share with you guys some new coupons to print, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.